Hey, aloha everybody. Welcome back to another episode. This is episode 22 of my M1 Finance Challenge. So basically, if you're new to the channel, I just want to say aloha. Welcome. Hopefully, you like what you see and then you would subscribe. Uh, and I really appreciate it. But basically, I did this portfolio back in 2020 in January, just to kind of see and inspire people to start investing, to document my journey investing for in this platform, which is M1 Finance. I put about at least $50 a week or more, depending on the how the money I have. So hopefully, those of you that are new to the channel, you'll like what you see and you would subscribe. Really helps the channel out. Also, if you those are, I really appreciate and thank you for those continuing to subscribe and support the channel. It really helps, and I really do appreciate you guys a lot. Um, with that said, just wanted to remind everybody that I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes. Um, and Let's take a look at the portfolio and see how uh, it did this week. So currently, the portfolio is in the 1700s. For the week, I'm up 1%. For the month, I'm up 6%. For the quarter, I'm up 20%. And then for the year, I'm up 12%. And then for the all time, I'm up 12%. So for the week, now looking at the slices, for ETF slice, I only have one now. I used to have the SPHD. As much as I love the SPHD, I wanted to increase my position. So currently, right now, if you look at my shares, I only have one and some fractional shares. So I'm gonna start putting in more money, but I want my shares to increase more. So that's why I wanted to cut down on some of the um, um, companies that I have. I was over diversified, so I wanted to get rid of some of the companies. So for technology, I'm up 4% for the week, and I only have Apple and Microsoft. Um, so on the next one, we have growth stocks. I'm up 6% on this one. I have Tesla, Amazon, Facebook, Google, and the Trade Desk. Trade Desk has been really great the past week, with up 10%, and as well as Tesla, which is up 7%. Looking on the next, which is the real estate, I'm up 4%. I got EQIX, DRL, Realtor Income, and PSA. So those are the sectors I have for that sector. For my health sector, I'm up 1%. I have Johnson & Johnson, UNH, and Abbey. With Abbey being the high for this quarter, which is, this week for 4%. So that's on. Going to the next one, which is industrial. So for the industrial, I'm down 0.5% for the week. I got 3M, Waste Management, and RTX. So as you can see, there was a couple of companies, but again, my main focus is to start getting my positions in here. So if you look at my position for M1, I need to increase it so that I can have at least one share, because currently it's only a fraction. So that's the main purpose right now. So going on to the next sector, which is Communication, I'm down 1%. I got Disney, Verizon, and AT&T. So they're all down for the week. Moving along, you have utilities. I'm down 4%. I got NEE and Southern. So Southern down by 6% on this one for the week. Now looking at consumer defense, I'm up 0.32. Costco and Coca-Cola is the two left that I put in there. Looking at financials, I'm up 0.84. I got Visa and Bank of America. Now moving on to the next one, which is the other consumer sector I have. So 0.82. HD, McDonald's, and Lowe, with Lowe being the star of the week with 4% or 5% up this week. Now to the energy sector, I'm down 2%. I got the same one, ExxonMobil and Chevron. So onto materials, I'm up 2%. I got ADP and then Lin. So that's the part in there. So looking at the activity, so looking at the dividends. So here are my dividends. So we have, again, I like the fact that the dividends are starting to increase with me starting to put more and more money in there. Realtor income and stuff. Again, I'll still continue to add more money so that the dividends get higher. Looking at the deposits and withdrawal, as you can see, I'm consistently putting money in here. June 5, June 8, June 9, June 19. So on to my holdings. So currently now, I'm in a position 34 companies, so still a little bit high, but I think I'm gonna keep it as this one and start investing a lot more so that these positions get more of, instead of just fractional shares, start having like a full share. Alright, so that's about it for this week. Hope you like the video. Those of you that are new, again, thank you so much, and also for the ones that are continuing to subscribe, thank you, I appreciate it. Other than that, thank you. Hope to see you next week. Take care and keep investing. Stay cool and keep investing. This is Mark, Dividend Investor. Just wanted to say thank you. Aloha.